Completing your setup on Uber after signing up is essential to start using the app effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you have everything ready to go. Step 1. Download the Uber app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Search for Uber and download the app. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup process. Step 2. Sign into your account. Open the Uber app and enter the credentials you used to sign up. This typically includes your email address and password. If you signed up using a social media account, select the option to log in. Step 3. Set up payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Uber will prompt you to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and you will receive a verification code via SMS. Input this code into the app to confirm your number. Step 5. Customize your profile. Go to the profile section to add or update your personal information, including your name and profile picture. This helps personalize your experience and makes it easier for drivers to identify you. Now that you have completed the setup process, you are ready to start using Uber. Enjoy your rides.